Next we're going to create the columns and posts on this house. So select the rectangular foundation tool, set a working plane on the porch or the floor base, and we'll just mark out the size of our column, and we can either extrude it by going to stretch and clicking and holding the right button and extruding up to the roof, or we can go to object options and click the actual Y scale and hitting enter. We can then copy that object and create a column for the balcony here. Now what I'll do is I'll turn the roof layer off, paste that, and you can see it's too big for this area, so I'll click on that column, go to options, and I'll type in a different sized column, and I might just make those control points smaller by using stretch mode, and I'll just put the roof on so I can stretch that to the correct height, and I'll copy that and paste the new section in. Now if you wanted to, you can see on the elevation that we've sort of got these moulded sections on the column. Click on the column, create gutter moulding, click on that, go options, click moulding, click edit extrude shape. Then what I'll do is I'll remove the current shape that's there, so I'll go to remove and I'll draw a rectangle over it, and then I'll go add and I'll build a moulding shape. So I'll click, 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 and click the right button to finish it, and go accept, go apply, and there's a moulding shape. So I'll repeat that process. So I'll click on that, create a default moulding. Now if I want to copy that shape to that one, I simply click on the original shape, click object options, click edit extrude shape, and then click on the new object, go accept, and click apply. Now what I'll do is I'll go through and repeat this process up the column. Now that I've done one column, I can simply copy the parent object and paste that object. Now I'll just align it and position it. There we go. Next, what we need to do is add guttering to this roof. So we'll click on the roof base and go build moulding, and then we can just lift that into place. Now here we need to cut a section out because we don't want any guttering there, so we simply go to split moulding, and that creates a discrete moulding section. Then we can go hide moulding. Now here we haven't got a object to create moulding, so what we're simply going to do is create an object, a rectangle object, and lift that into place and trim that to the right size. Now you can see I can't see the control point. I need to go to Windows Preferences, Show Control Points on top, click Apply, and now I can see the control point, and I'll just square that up, and I'll just bring this out to there, and this will also allow me to create a fascia for this roof. There we go. Oops. I've accidentally moved that control point in. And then all I do is go build gutter. And then go hide moulding segment and delete the unnecessary segments.